If you're going to import dataset within Stata, you are importing, if by the time you use import, you are importing datasets that are not defaults for Stata. Things like .smcl, .do file, .dta, that is not for it. Import is used when you're importing data with the extensions which are not default for Stata. Things like XL, XLS, which is for Microsoft Excel, CSV for comma separated variables, and all other types of data sets. So let's say you want to import your Excel file into Stata. What you would do, come to File, come to Import. If it's Excel, choose this. If it's any other data type, choose any of the data type within this list. After choosing Excel, I then go to Browse. When I go to Browse, I should be able then to look for the Stata Excel worksheet I want to import. Press Open. When you reach at this phase, it's going to ask you so many things. Worksheets. This Excel only has one page. If there are more pages, if you click here, you would be able to choose other pages within the worksheet. But this one has only one page. This option, import the first row as variable names. If you look at this data set, this is just a snippet. We can see that in row 1 we have age, age group, region, residence. In other words, this data set has column names. It has variable names. Therefore, you would click on this one, import first row as variables, so that all the age group, region would go upwards, and then they would be part of the variable name. This option, import all data as strings. Not really. You shouldn't tamper with that unless you know what you're dealing with. Then you would press OK, and then your data set would be loaded,